Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today this is actually a collab with Triscuit, Tristan art. Let me hope I'm pronouncing that correct, because there's been one too many times where I have mispronounced people's YouTube names. For this collab, we drew each other's OCs. They're drawing, I think, Dev. When I see Dev, I think. I can't remember. No, yeah. Why am I like agreeing with myself? Okay, so anyway, so I drew that OC Mia. I really like this OC. It's so cute. I love the way Tristan did like the braces and like the smile is just so cute. So I had to do that. Like, I'm not gonna go back into my bubble and just do like a line for the smile because I have a habit of doing that. I probably have said it before, but I cannot draw smiles. And everyone always thinks I'm depressed because all my drawings like look like straight face. But that is just because I have a problem with smiles and the teeth, like everything that I just got. So yeah, so I added like this weird necklace. Emo, I know. And then like these boots. I don't know if Mia would wear these. I just think it would be cute. I just think grey goes well with like the colours and stuff. I just thought it would be nice. I kind of wanted to add my own touch. Yeah, I guess. Ciao. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because I'm gonna play Arctic Monkeys, and I mean, if I was a viewer, I'd rather listen to that than some random British girl ramble about nothing.